Good morning all of you. I am going to discuss about the numerical problem related to pile foundation. Basically this numerical is based on the drop hammer and stiff hammer. The first numerical is a timber pile was driven by a drop hammer, weight 30 kilonewton with a free fall of 1.2 meter. The average penetration was 5 mm. Determine the load carrying capacity of pile. Here we know the formula QU is equal to WH upon S plus C. Here W is equal to weight of the hammer, H is equal to height of the free fall, and the penetration value is 5 mm and C value is 2.5. Okay, this is constant. After putting these values, W in 30 kilonewton, H is here 1.2 meter, so we will change it in centimeter to 1.2 into 100, and the 5 mm we also change it in centimeter, so 5 divided by 100, the value will come out to be in centimeter. Here QU will be equal to WH, W is equal to 30, H will be equal to 1.2 into 100 divided by S 500 into 2.5. After solving this problem, the value will come out to be 1200 kilonewton. Now we have to find the safe wearing capacity or safe pile load. Then QS will be equal to QU upon factor of safety. The value of QU is here 1200 kilonewton and the factor of safety is 6. Now the value will come out to be 200 kilonewton. This is the safe carrying capacity of a single pile. Okay. Now the second problem is a pile is driven with a single active steam hammer of weight 15 kilonewton with a free fall 900 mm. The average penetration of the last 20 blows is 27.5 mm. Here the value of W is given. First of all, this is a case of the hydraulic hammer. The value of W is 15 kilonewton. The value of H is 27.5, so we will change it in centimeter, so 2.75 centimeter, and the height is the value of S is 2.75, the value of H is 900 mm, so it is changed in the centimeter, the value will be 90 centimeter. The value of W is given, the value of S is given, the value of H is given by putting this values in this formula, WH upon 6, S plus 0.25. So W is equal to 15, H is equal to 90, 6, S is equal to 2.75 and plus 0.25, the value will come out to be 76 kilonewton. So these are the two formula which we are generally used to find the capacity of penetration by applying a drop hammer load, by applying a steam hammer load. So both the numerical is very important for your exam purpose. Now second numerical is which is basically based on the group efficiency. Now we will find the group efficiency through the number of column and number of rows. Here determine group efficiency and total load on one pile shall be based on friction only. Take cohesion factor 0.6, pile dia 30 cm and height 6 meter. Adopt unconfined compressive strength of clay 60 kilopascal. Use spacing of 16 pile as 16 cm center to center spacing. Take factor of safety is equal to 3. We know the efficiency for the gross pile will be equal to 1 minus theta by 90, m minus 1 into n plus n minus 1 into m divided by mn. If the arrangement of 16 pile is like this, then the value of number of rows will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and the value of n is equal to number of column, then the value of number of column will be equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, n will be equal to 4. Here we know that theta is equal to tan inverse, so the dia of the pile is 30 centimeter and the height will be equal to 6 meter. By converting both the values in the meter or in mm or in centimeter, so we will find tan inverse will be equal to 0.3 upon 0.6. By putting this value, we will find the value of theta. We find the value of m, we find the value of n. By putting both the values in the formula, then the efficiency of the pile will be equal to Ng will be equal to 1 minus the value of theta is 26.56 divided by 90, m minus 1 into n plus n minus 1 into 4 divided by 4 into 4. Then the value of theta will be come out to be 55.73. We find both the values. Then we find the gross capacity of the pile, the value of QUG. The QUG will be equal to efficiency Ng into N into Q1. So efficiency come out to be 55.73 and the number of pile is 16. The value of Q1 for single pile is 5 alpha into C into pi into DL. After putting the value of alpha and value of C is 0.6, the value of pi dia and the length, that is height. By putting these all the values, we will find the value of gross QUG. The QUG will be equal to 907.67 kilonewton. After dividing the factor of safety, the value will come out to be 453.85 kilonewton. This will be the safe bearing capacity of the pile. This is the very simple process to find out the bearing capacity of the pile. Sometime in the exam only ask the question related to the efficiency. They will give you only the value of m, the value of n. According to that, you will find the value of theta and find the value of efficiency. This numerical basically asked in various exam like GATE, like IAS, and the formula is basically this. So this is for today. Have a nice day.